In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Patreon to Spotify. If you want to link these two accounts so they can work together more smoothly, the process is pretty simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to tap and what to expect on the screen. To get started, open Patreon and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look for the settings option and tap on it. This is where Patreon keeps your account preferences and integrations, so it's the right place to begin when you want to connect an external service like Spotify. If you're using the mobile app, the menu layout may vary slightly depending on your device, but the settings area should still be easy to find. After you're inside settings, go to more and then tap connected apps. This section is specifically for linking Patreon with other platforms and services. If you don't immediately see it, just take a moment to scroll through the settings menu carefully. The important thing here is to make sure you're in the connected apps area before moving on. Once you're there, select Spotify from the list of available apps. This tells Patreon which service you want to connect. You should now see the option to begin the connection process. At this point, make sure you're ready to sign in to the correct Spotify account, especially if you manage more than one account or if another user is already logged in on your device. Next, tap Connect and then log into your Spotify account. Follow the sign-in prompts that appear on screen to complete the connection. In some cases, Spotify may ask you to confirm permissions before finishing the setup. That's normal, and it's part of allowing Patreon and Spotify to communicate properly. Once you've logged in successfully, the connection should be established. If it doesn't work right away, double check that you entered the correct Spotify login details and that you're connecting the intended account. You can also try closing and reopening the app if the page seems stuck during the sign-in process. And that's it. By going to Patreon, opening settings, choosing more, tapping connected apps, selecting Spotify, and then signing in through Connect, you can link your Patreon account to Spotify in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you connect Patreon to Spotify quickly and easily.